Guys, I'm getting a lot of people asking me about how I clean up my vintage cats. And I'd like to make an instructional video just in case anybody ever wants to sell or clean up a vintage cat that they bought or own. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not easy. You have to take your time with it. If you rush this, you will not do it well, right? And you have to make sure that you use the right products. So, for one, we're not going to use any products at first. We're just going to use a simple cotton ball, and we're just going to see what we can get off with that cotton ball. So let's check that out. You can see I can't even balance the cotton ball on her head. That's how I know I'm doing a good job cleaning. Now, you'll notice all these black spots over here. That's residue. We're gonna try to get that off, and I don't know if I can do that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get all this residue off, but I'm sure gonna try. And we're just gonna make sure we get all the sides over here. Common misconception is that you can just use Windex on the ears, but I know that's not a good idea. You just gotta go with the cotton ball. You gotta take your time. You gotta make sure that you use a little bit of force where it's necessary so you can get that shine in there. And by the end of it, you have a beautiful polished cat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you guys in your toy videos too.